Hmm. If we start playing this more, we need to look at this page more. There's 4 people on the looking for division page of our. That's our clan, I think. I'm playing that one ship, the Kelebs, the one down from yours. I've got 24,216 until I'm able to upgrade to the next ship. Also, I really hope that I don't know. Really hope we do well, so that Okay, I'm gonna come over there with you. These guys are probably not gonna like that, but I honestly don't care. Oh, they have a Bayern, so be very careful. That has long range secondaries, I think. They have one of your ships, so they do have one airstrike ship. They have a Fushun, so that's deep water torps, so we're in danger of those. Mm. They have a Kelebs, but that's not airstrike. That's just my ship.
I owe you one. Good luck, everyone. That's how it's done.
This goes, that's how it's done.
Enemy force detected.
There goes the Bayern. Okay. There's one cruiser going to be.
Roger. Enemy destroyer detected.
Uh-oh. Where's that at?
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Any of those hit? Oh, none of them.
The ship is on fire.
The little dude?
Concentrate fire on the designated
Beautiful.
target.
Dang, none of those torps hit anything. Okay, just be careful, brother. Okay, he is capping C, or something is. Oh, there he is. Okay, I messed up his rudder, or his engine, I think. I think he insta repaired it. Oh, I'm getting hit from the left. Wow, he hit me one time. Oh no, I'm spotted again. Wow, those were almost some really good torpedoes by whoever that is. Set a fire on him.
Fighter airborne. Main turret critically damaged.
Oh man. Oh, I hit him pretty good. Oh, I hit him really good again.
Fighter returning to ship.
Oh, he didn't hit me. He didn't hit me good. Oh, that hit me just a little bit better.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh, there's some deep waters coming in, bro. Be careful.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Nice. Oh, he launched torps at you.
Our team has taken
Oh,
the
no. Okay, I'm no longer spotted, so he's either out of range now. Oh. Oh, I set him on fire once.
Fighter airborne.
Okay, I'm spotted again.
We've been spotted.
There he is. Oh, he's smoking up behind the hill there. Oh, he's moving fast. Probably, and I've already used my sonar. There's an enemy over there at B, a couple enemies. I'm spotted. There he is. He's slowly drifting backwards. Didn't hit him any. Damn, now I got 3 minutes of, what's it called? Cooldown. I'm just gonna try to close the 2-kilometer gap. Or 1 point, whatever it is. Oh, there he is. Very close. I did a 1,400 damage to him. I'm still spotted. That tiger at B is probably gonna start shooting at me in just a second. No, I knew he had torpedoes coming. Man, I got hit by one of them. I'm still spotted by something. Oh, I can reach that Caleb's. Can you? Oh, I can barely reach him. He's moving away from us. Okay, we're about to have 2 points. We just long gamed them. Oh wait, they were already losing on points. Wow, that's a real shame. Oh, so more to the left is Aoba as well. Wow, I guess there's multiple people shooting at him. Bro, he's running. Yeah, this tiger. I set a fire on that tiger. slapping him with HE rounds. Those missed. He's burning down, boys. Oh yeah, good job, bro. Nice. That was a dang good victory. That gave me 2,700. Nice. $2,100 away, or 21,000 away. Nice. The legendary. Oh. I always started another one video game. My current bureau project is the Saipan. It's the secret project for the Americans for the aircraft carrier. Secret project, bureau project, whatever it's called. I don't know. So we're gonna go to the left island right here beside C. You can sit on like behind the big one, and I can try to go in behind the small one and capture. Mayhaps. Hopefully their little dude goes up north. Goes for B.
General quarters.
I'm gonna go for that itty bitty island right in the middle. Well, no, I don't know. That would be really bad to get stuck at.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Dude, Whittlery right there. I can Whittlery shoot him right now. Like, Whittlery, should I shoot him? No, not yet. Oh, man. Oh, there's a New Mexico.
Enemy battleship sighted. Enemy cruiser sighted.
Oh, I got spotted. Okay, I didn't think anybody could see me, to be honest. That was my bad. Shouldn't have done it. Where at? Oh, so the little dude did come this way, huh? Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I was in your way. You're about to take shots for me. I'm sorry. They hit both of us with that. There's a cruiser coming around the left side, I believe.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Oh, this Gneisenau now is gonna come around this side on us. Oh no!
Support the allied target.
I just got hit pretty bad on the right side over here. Was that hitting anything? Oh, he's not even moving. Oh, I didn't do a ton of damage. Oh, you got two of them now? Oh, so you got faster cooldowns? Oh, that's OP.
Detected.
That cruiser, probably. Oh, I'm spotted? By who? Okay, I'm not spotted anymore. Dude, is he still burning from your fires?
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Nice.
Our team has taken the lead. Battleship detected.
I set a fire on this Tennessee over here to the right. Someone hit him really hard. Set another fire on him. Oh, so he's not AFK, huh? Oh, was that the chunk from your bombs? Damn, that did a big chunk. There's an enemy Hyuga in the middle. Hey, we've got a huge point lead, dude. Good shots, dude. Did any of those clear the island? I don't think so. Oh, they did. Nice. That Trento is about to come out where I can see him. Oh, I can already see him.
That's how it's done. Requesting support.
Oh yeah, I started a fire on that Trento. Oh, he's dropping smoke.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Oh, I set him on fire. Oh yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Good shots. Good shots. Oh no way! I got him with the fire.
I owe you one.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, they're capping B. Oh, look at that. His smoke screen ran out. Poor bastard. Power bastard.
Nice work.
Getting some damage on the Hyuga. On the Here You Go. Oh, he's gonna get taken out by Torps. Wow.
Nice work. That was a great battle.
That would be good, man.
Good game, everyone.
Already saying GG's. Oh yeah, especially considering we weren't too aggressive. Well, it was a really bad call on those battleships part to be just sitting still. That got you some really good hits. You did way more damage to both of those ships than I thought you was going to do, to be honest. Yeah, yeah. Hey, man. Hey, he got another kill before he died though. Got some shells flying. Yeah, a little bit. I'm about to be able to spot him. Oh, I set a fire on him. I'm about to be able to spot him again. Dude, I'm burning him still. I hope these miss. Yes, they did. Oh no, bro, I'm sorry. I'm in your way, dude. Dang. And if you didn't get him somehow, my fire was about to. Unless it was about to run out. Oh, I didn't get 2,000 that time. Oh, you got second place, bro. So you done something that the game tallied is higher than me because I even had a kill. You probably had more damage, huh? How much damage did you had? I had like 20,000. Oh yeah, those man, dude, you were smacking with those planes. See them planes? Super good against causing fires on battleships, man. All right, only got 20,120 left to go.